Good morning all. Now I am making video on your 7th lab program, that is design and create web page using HTML and CSS about an awesome animal. So this is what I have given you, and let me show you the output first. This is always the output. So this is the heading awesome animal. Then these are the headings dog and cow. Here we have inserted two images, image 1 and 2. You have got a background color for the whole body. Then this is paragraph 1 and this is paragraph 2, and the paragraph has a border which we have defined, and we have created two divisions. So this is considered as one division and this is considered as second division. We want this to come beside our pic, so we are defining the division. So in case the output doesn't come exactly like expected, we can change the position of this division so that the text will properly come beside the pic. We'll see how to write the code for this. So see, HTML head title awesome animal. This will not be displayed. This is for your reference. Now I am defining style attribute. Here the paragraph. The paragraph will have a border. It will have a solid border, red color and blue color. That is, top color will be red and border color will be blue. Then I have given two classes here. Dot dog. This class will have position absolute. Then from top it will have 150 pixels. From left 155 pixels. Then for the cow, top will be 400 pixels and left will be 155 pixels. So this is where it will be useful. The top, it should appear from here, on the left this much pixels. Top more pixels and from left this much. So in case your text doesn't appear properly as shown in the output, you can change these pixels here and then adjust that. You can change the pixels as per your pic. Check your pic position and then change it. So now heading 2, color tomato. Then your style ends here. Then the body background color will be pink. Now I am giving the heading awesome animals. This will be printed. Then I am giving the second heading dog. This will be printed. Then you need to insert image. Source is called dog.jpg. So you have got a image of a dog in your folder where you have stored your HTML file. So this is the dog image you have, that will be inserted, dog.jpg. Then I am giving a section, that is div. Class is equal to dog. I am using, see, in this class dog I have defined how much pixels for the dog. Top 150 and left 155. So top 150 and left 155. So this is where this will be printed, this division section. So here P align center, then I am giving the text. So this text will be printed here. So similarly, now this is the second heading, cow. Then your image will be printed. By default, these are left aligned. So this will be printed in the left, cow and this. Now division class cow. So this is second division, class cow, and see, for this cow I have defined here top 400 pixels and left 155 pixels. So top is 400 pixels and left 155 pixels. So here image, after printing image, then I will give here cows. This is the paragraph I have, cows to have best friends and everything. Then the body closes HTML, so it will cows to have best friends and so and so. So it output will be like this. I hope you understood this program. Let me know what you felt in the comment section. Please share these videos with your other diploma friends. Thank you.